Hello and welcome to this presentation on the Omron 2JCIE environment sensor. This presentation is an overview of our sensor and sensor technology that we have available. My name is Cary Horan and I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Sensors and Modules at Omron. The 2JCIE environment sensor is a complete package solution available in 3 different package types: the ready-to-use USB type, the portable bag type, and the flexible PCB board type, available for customers who are looking for their own design around our sensing capabilities. The Omron environment sensor is an all-in-one package capable of measuring multiple environment characteristics simultaneously. Depending on the module that's selected, the sensor is capable of reading temperature, humidity, light, barometric pressure, noise level, UV index, volatile organic compounds or VOC levels, and acceleration. The sensor is available in the 3 packages shown on the image on the left: the USB version on the left side, the bag type version up top, and the PCB mount version. Each one is able to transmit data easily via Bluetooth, or in the case of the USB sensor, directly into a computer that it may be plugged into. Data can be read in a central database or via the free smartphone app for on-the-go monitoring. The data that is collected by the Omron environment sensor is useful for a wide variety of applications. In the office environment, the sensor can gather temperature, humidity, and light characteristics to create and maintain a comfortable working environment for employees. Similarly, in the home environment, the sensor can utilize this data to maintain a comfortable living space for guests and residents. This may be especially important for areas requiring specialized care, such as infant and geriatric monitoring. The sensor can be linked to smart devices such as central air and lighting controls, so that proper environment conditions are maintained whenever a person is present. For outdoor use, the UV sensor and the barometric pressure sensor and the bag and PCB type modules can be utilized to alert the user whenever there may be potentially harmful outdoor conditions. High UV levels may be damaging to sensitive skin, and sudden drops in barometric pressure may indicate approaching inclement weather. In commercial environments, such as a hotel, the noise level indicator and the VOC sensor may prove useful. Noise level indicators in rooms may alert the hotel staff of unruly guests, and the VOC sensor can detect cigarette smoke in rooms where no smoking is permitted. In factory and industrial settings, the sensor can utilize the noise level sensor to ensure the conditions are safe for workers. Additionally, the accelerometer in the USB sensor can be used to monitor vibration levels and indicate to the user when there is unusual activity. This is especially important in areas where there may be earthquake risks. The sensor can be linked to emergency shutdown procedures, so that if there is a high amount of vibration activity that could be potentially damaging to machines working with fuel or high voltage, the sensor may detect this and power down machines so that there is no further damage to the surrounding area. On this slide, we will go over 2 unique applications that Omron has gotten involved with using these environment sensors. In climate-controlled storage, the sensors can be used to keep sensitive materials in proper temperature and humidity conditions. In this way, the user can ensure that products aren't damaged in storage or in shipping. The vibration sensor can also be used to detect unexpected movement, so that if there is any damage to parts, they can be properly tracked and notified to the user whenever this may occur. In agriculture applications, the bag type sensor has proven to be especially useful. This sensor, using the temperature, humidity, and UV sensor, are able to ensure proper growing conditions of crops and flowers. The sensor can also constantly be monitoring for problem spots due to poor air circulation or ventilation within the greenhouse. This particular sensor of the 2JCIE series is portable, so it allows for easy transport if the user needs to move the sensor around the greenhouse, or if the sensor needs to follow a plant as it moves within different spots of the greenhouse, warm rooms, or incubators. In a recent project, Omron has partnered with Dimonoff and design house Amateus to use Omron sensors in a full asset tracking platform. Statum is an industrial IoT system that provides real-time information on the position and status of equipment or products in buildings, construction sites, supply chain, and distribution networks. It is also possible to detect different statuses of assets using the environment sensor, such as vibration, temperature, and other information to avoid waste, breakdowns, theft, and loss of time. Let's take a look at a brief introduction of Amateus and their capabilities.
Hi, my name is Daniel Noiseux, and I'd like to introduce Amateus. Amateus is a design house that can help you integrate Omron sensors into existing and new products. We have specialists in hardware, software, and firmware, so we can help you get your products to the market faster.
Using the Omron environment sensor along with the Amateus equipment allows the user to not only collect data from the environment sensor, including vibration, VOC, temperature, and humidity, but also project that data across a wide Bluetooth or Wi-Fi network so that the data can be read over a longer range. The central system, as well as the software that can be used on laptops and cell phones, allows the data to be collected in an easy-to-read chart, graph, and central database. This short video shows the Dimonoff dashboard in action using the Omron sensors. Users can log into their portfolio to access the dashboard where they can monitor all of the sensor activity in real time. A map they can navigate shows the location of each sensor that they can access individually to see what data is being collected. The dashboard here shows all of the different data points collected from the environment sensor, including VOC, barometric pressure, relative humidity, and temperature. As the users access the different sensors, they can not only monitor the data in real time, but also check graphs so as to see the history of the sensor data. This way, they can monitor problem spots and see where data has dipped below certain threshold levels. Emergency messages here can be accessed in case sensors have reached below or above a certain point that is deemed unsafe. At these points, you can access exactly what the readings were for each moment that a sensor has reached unsafe levels. Here at Omron, we are committed to improving lives and contributing to a better society. We believe in the development of sensors in order to provide new technology and support ongoing production of new and innovative applications. Thank you very much for participating in this presentation on our environment sensing module. Again, my name is Cary Horan, Product Manager for Sensors and Modules at Omron. To learn more about this and other sensor components, please visit our website at components.omron.com, where you can also learn about our other product offerings, including switches, connectors, and power relays. Be sure to check out our other presentations available for this Sensors Innovation Week.